Hey guys, it's Celine by Box Review, and today we review Mystery Putty.
This is something new that just came out for Ryan's World's Toys, and it's called Ooze Universe Series 1. It's supposed to is collect them all, 4 of them, and it's 5 Ooze colors to collect, latex free, and it brings a figure, and it brings like slime and stuff.
Yeah, and we don't think people have this because we haven't shown it on YouTube.
Open it, Celine.
Okay, let's open this one.
That's the first one.
Oh, look, there's a little figure inside, and this is Mo. Guys, look, it's Mo.
And it's like a volcano. More goes on the top.
Yeah. Do you want to open it? Let's.
You can open the putty later. Like, open all the figures and then open the putty.
Oh, yeah. That's great. Oh. Maybe this one because that one's too hard. Mommy, we got Ryan.
Let me see. Ryan.
It's a building.
And he has like a fort.
Yeah.
And he's standing on it. Okay, the next one. Ah, you got the same one.
We could give this one away.
Okay, so just put it to the side. It's the same one, so we're gonna give it away.
Yeah, but if we get three of that, we have to give away 2. If we get 3.
Okay, so we're gonna give away 2 of them because we have 2 Mo's and 2 Ryans.
Yeah.
Okay, so Celine, what color putties do you have in there? You have the
Blue.
Yellow putty. Oh wow, this one was opened already.
Yeah, let me see if it was.
Open.
Oh, it feels
You have
good.
blue, red, and yellow again.
Yeah. So we're gonna give away the
Oh well, I
one.
think the yellow putties are like kind of damaged because they all kind of open. And the thing is that we just opened these packages. These packages were not open. We opened them and they came in open, so basically they were damaged.
Yeah, but the blue and red weren't damaged, only the yellow.
Yeah, so it was the blue, red, and yellow.
So we're gonna throw away the yellows that are damaged. Guys, now we're gonna put this on top of the feet.
Yeah, you're gonna, oh my God, you're drowning him.
He's supposed to drown.
And the yellow one.
So,
Lava!
lava! So let's put this on Ryan. Ryan. We can put this there, and then we can put it here. The tower's full of lava! So now we're gonna do the other one. Oh. If you're ready, if you want to see more videos of Celine, click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up.